Hey beautifuls! I went shopping! So today we're going to be doing a haul because I did a little bit of shopping over at Temu. You guys know I love to check out dupes over there. I've also stocked up on beauty sponges and brushes because it is so much cheaper to buy those items on Temu than it is to go into the stores lately. Now, if you guys are not familiar with Temu, this is an online retailer where there is anything and everything on this website. This retailer is massive and any businesses can sell their products on their website. So Temu does not manufacture any of the makeup or beauty products that I'm about to share with you guys. However, a lot of brands can sell their products there. Now, Temu has partnered up with me over this video today where you guys can actually receive a bundle of coupons. So if you guys would like to save some money off of your first Temu order, all you have to do is hit the magnifying glass in the Temu app and type in my code. That code then will reveal a whole bunch of different coupons for you guys. I have got so much stuff, you guys, in this haul. Like, I got a little bit of everything. So it's just going to be a mixture today. I'm not really organized. I didn't do only skincare, only makeup. I just did a little bit of everything. But if you guys want to shop any of the items that I'm about to share with you, I will post the links and the information down below. Let's check out our first item. So first up, I got some nails, you guys. These are stick-on nails, and what I like about them is they're so easy to put on that they're nice to match certain outfits. So even if like they only last me for a few hours, like for that event or whatever it may be, I just love that I can have matching nails. I can put them on really quickly and they're gonna look great. Some of them that I have tried out have lasted longer than just a day, but then other ones I've tried have not been as good. But this one is so stinking cute, you guys. It comes with a nail file. You've got the strawberries. You put this on. You've got this matching set. I was like, yes, it's just too cute. It's speaking my language. I went with another one, and this one has got a black and white theme, but I kind of liked, again, that they didn't do all the same print, and I just thought, man, this is classy. This will go with everything. You know, it's black and white. I also got a few sparkles just because I thought they were very cute. So this is a red sparkle. It doesn't really show up as well on camera as it does in person. In person, they are super shimmery. So I got the red, and then I also went with the purple one here. So they're just really cute, really fun. I had to get a few nails just to match a couple of outfits that I have coming up. And these are so affordable. And like I said, even if they don't last me forever, they're still going to achieve the look I'm looking for. All right, next up, I got, what is this? Oh, yes. So this is a glass nail file, and I have found these to be the best nail files out there. So you don't necessarily have to get it from Temu. I just recommend the glass files. This one, though, is what Temu had to offer, and I mean, super affordable again. So you get a little carrying case, and then inside you're going to have your glass file. So these are just, they work so well. You keep this with you on your purse. You can always touch them up then because it never fails. I'm always like chipping my nails. So yeah, I definitely wanted to give this one a shot. It seems nice. I mean, it's got like a little bit of a gritty texture to it like it should for a nail file. So I think it seems decent. I also ordered from Novo. This is the Chamomile Makeup Moisturizing Spray. So it's supposed to be more of like a moisturizing pick-me-up, not really a setting spray. So this is just going to be more hydration than it is like locking in your makeup in place. But Novo is a K-beauty brand that's been in a lot of my subscription boxes, and they sell their products on Temu as well. So I thought I'd go ahead and try this one. It's a brand that at least I'm familiar with. And like I said, it's supposed to be a moisturizing chamomile spray. So it is a full-size product, and this is what it will look like here. It reminds me a little bit, just based off of the shape, of the Glow Recipe spray, because they have a spray that looks exactly like this, except it's pink, and I think it has watermelon in it instead of chamomile. But then you've got your spritzer up here. I like that there's a lot of product, and then you can just shake this up, spritz it on, and it's supposed to give you a little bit more hydration. So let me smell this real quick. Oh yeah, it is definitely chamomile. So it is a very strong chamomile scent. So keep that in mind. If you don't like chamomile, you're probably not gonna like this product. Next item that I have here, oh yes, this is a blush. So this is a blush from Miss Young. And I thought this looked like a really good shade. So I thought, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and give this a shot. See, I love when they put the color on the outside of the packaging because then you can just tell, like, yeah, this is my color. This is totally gonna work for me. So this is a full-size product. There is a mirror inside, and then here is your shade. I think it's really pretty. I like this. This looks really good. All right, this is an affordable find. I'm really impressed with the shade on this one. My next item that I have is the Smart Girl Reading Blush. I don't really know what that means, but I ordered it because it looked interesting. So here's our shade number up here at the top. Most likely this has a lot of different shades on Temu, so when you click on the link, it will show you different options then. But I went with number 1 because it seemed like it'd be the best fit for me. So inside, we've got our little compact here, which is very cute. I kind of like the little woman on the front here. And then, oh, check this out. Now I know why I ordered this. So you've got this carving inside. It has a little bit of highlight to it with shimmer. So it's more of like a blush light where you've got that shimmer built in. I gotta do a swatch. We gotta see here. Oh, yes. So super creamy. Formula feels amazing on this. It's a cross between a cream and a powder. So it's not all the way cream, not all the way powder. But the color is stunning. I love this color a lot. So I'll do a quick swatch here. Look at that, you guys. Is that not beautiful? But see how it's got a little bit of shimmer to it? It's very light, but it does catch the eye. This is beautiful. That pigment is stunning. So next item that I have here is the Mascara Eyeliner Duo. This one is supposed to last for 36 hours, which, you know, who knows if that's true or not. But it's a bold claim to make. Now, it is a sealed box, and it is going to be waterproof as well. I just have it in the shade black because that's just what I usually prefer, is a black mascara and eyeliner. This is the combination of the two. So here is what the mascara tube will look like. And it says it's going to be a curling mascara. So this is your wand. I do like that there's lots of fibers on it, but it's supposed to lift and give you a little bit of curl with it. I think I'll still curl my eyelashes with my beauty tool first and then use that. I don't think it's going to replace it that well. Like, I don't think I can skip that. And then this is the matching eyeliner to go along with it. Waterproof again, and it is a felt tip, and that way it will be precise for all of your line work. What is this? See, I can't even remember everything I've ordered. I just knew I threw in some stuff and I was like, I want to try them and see. So the next one that I have here is a hyaluronic acid cream. Yes, this is a moisturizer. It's supposed to last for 24 hours. I feel like the packaging on this looks fairly decent. And when I looked online, there were good reviews on it. It states that this is a moisturizer that has hyaluronic acid in it, so it will help to give you velvety skin, and it will be supple and elastic after using this product. So I thought, you know what? I'm going to try it out. We're going to see what it's like. I feel like this could be a dupe for a product, but I wasn't really sure which dupe they were trying to go after with this one. But I'm going to see. I mean, you know, I always need moisturizers in winter. I go through a ton. I like that the cream is really thick, so it looks like it will have a lot of hydration. There's no real scent to it. It smells like a lotion, like it's got that clean, you know, like that powder fresh scent. That's all this smells like. But other than that, it seems decent, so I feel like this would be a good one. I also have a blush powder, and this one said that it was a peach color. So this is what it looks like here. It is a sealed box. It states that the powder is fine and silky, long-lasting, and waterproof. And it says that it will make your cheeks more charming and shiny. So I love that my cheeks are going to be more charming. There's a little mirror on the top of it. That's unique. And then this is our color. That's pretty. I like the color. this is good. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this off here. Oh, look, you get an applicator. So you actually get the sponge applicator here. And this is where the product is going to come up. So it's actually going to come up from the bottom through this. That way you can use it to blend it and apply it. And you've got your mirror so you can hold it. Okay, that's very, very clever. So I do like that a lot. Now this is what it looks like down below. It's a little cracked a bit. Of course, maybe it's just because of the way this is set up inside and the way it works. It is a powder after all. But I do think the color is really nice on this one. So I like the idea. I don't know if this is going to work super well for myself. I usually like to do it myself. Like I want to put the blush on. I want to put it where it goes. So I will try the applicator out, but honestly, I still really like the color that if nothing else, I'll just dip my brush into the powder and do it. So I also ordered the Lucky Me eyeshadow palette. Now this one is supposed to be a dupe for an e.l.f. product, which I didn't honestly know the e.l.f. eyeshadow palette, but when I ordered it, it said it on the listing e.l.f. And I was like, oh, they're actually admitting this is an e.l.f. dupe. So this is what the palette itself will look like here. Is it says Lucky Me. This will have 25 eyeshadows inside of it. And it does come with a brush, but you guys know me again. I'm not usually into these, so it does come with that, but I never use them. Now there's no mirror on here, but you will have all of your shadows down below. So I know what you're thinking. It's definitely neutral, but I kind of liked the berry tones that were in here. Like if you look at this row here with like the purples and the undertone of like reds and pinks, I did think those were really pretty. So it is a little bit more neutral for myself, but I do think for a day-to-day look, it might be decent. I mean, it was worth a shot. I was willing to try it. Last item inside of my haul today is going to be a blush palette. Can you tell I was on a blush kick? Like I kind of went down the rabbit hole. I was looking at blushes and I'm like, yeah, let's try that. Let's try that. Now I got this one. So this is from Kiss Beauty. It's their Little Milk Bear blush. So this is what the outside looks like here. And then your palette is inside. So I'm going to pull this out. I hope this is in the shape of bears. That'd be super cute. So we don't have a mirror on this one, but here are the blushes down below. I think it's cute. The blushes are a little bit deeper than what I was expecting. I wish they were a little bit brighter. I do think these will work for some people though. It's just for myself, I typically like to go with, like you saw, the brighter pinks. But I do think this is decent. But I do like the size of these pans. You can pick up a lot of pigment at once. I do wish they would have put more teddy bears on here, like on the actual, you know, the colors and stuff. I don't know. I needed more of the teddy bear feel. So that is everything for today's Temu haul, you guys. Comment down below. Let me know what you think of these items. If you've tried any of these, let me know your thoughts as well, because I've not tried any of them yet. But I like what I see, so I'm like, well, that's a good first step. And I love, like I said, I love just getting stuff, trying it out, seeing what it's like. It may not work, but I do have some hopeful potentials here. I honestly think the mascara looks decent. I love the nail strips because I've already been using those as well. I do really like the hydration spray, so I can't wait to use that one. And then the blushes. I've got some new blushes that I'm going to try out as well. So all in all, I'm happy with what I ordered today. I feel like I got a little bit of everything, but if you guys are interested in any of these products, I will be posting those links down below in that video description for you guys. And don't forget, if you download the Temu app and search my code in that magnifying glass, you'll also be able to get a whole bunch of coupons as well. So until next time, beauties, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!